Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.6, question number 4. Draw an angle of measure 153 degree and divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay. First of all, we will take a ruler and first of all we make a line, right? After that, we will take a protractor and with the help of protractor we will make 153 degree. Here we find that it is 100, 110, 100, 100, 100. Here you see this is 90, this is 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 140, 140, 150 and 53. That is have to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 this point, right? Let us take this point 1, 2, 3, 150, 150, 140, 150, 153, 1, 2, 3. This point, right? Now we make an angle here. It is 153, 153 degree. With the help of a scale, we draw this angle. Here we will made 153 degree, 153 degree. Right? This is 153 degree. Let us give the arrow here. We give one arrow here, one arrow here, and one arrow here. Give the name. Name is this is A, this is B, and this is C. Right? An angle ABC equal to 153 degree. Here we write that angle ABC is equal to 153 degree. 153 degree. Now we have to divide this angle into 4 equal parts, right? Then with the help of protractor, we'll divide the angle bisector of angle ABC, right? First we will divide this angle, right? First let us take a compass, right? With the help of this compass, we will divide this. First of all, take this pointer at point B, and take an arc like this and make an arc here, right? Let us make an arc. We made an arc, and again taking this pointer at this point, increase this the length of the arc, increase the length of the arc, increase the length of the arc, then again with the help of this you can take the pointer here at this point and make an arc again, right? Make an arc again, right? And take this pointer at this point and make another arc. Take this pointer at this point and make another arc here, right? And with the help of scale we are getting angle bisector of angle ABC. With the help of scale we'll draw it like this, right? We'll draw a line here, right? And we give a name here also. In our ABCD, this is a D point. We make an arrow here, make an arrow like this, and the name of this point is ABC. This is D point, right? Now we'll make with this BD is the angle bisector of ABC. I will divide this angle DBC into two equal parts, right? With the help of protractor again, we will divide this angle again, right? With the help of this protractor. Let us take this pointer, this pointer at this point, and make an arc here, right? Again, with this pointer, take this pointer here and make an arc again, right? Then you are getting another angle bisector angle DBC, right? Now with the help of the scale, we draw here another line, right? I will draw here one line, I will give the name here, give an arrow here. This is the arrow A B C D. This point is E point, right? Then again we will bisect the angle ABD, right? With the help of protractor again, with the help of protractor we will bisect this angle also, right? Take this pointer at this position, right? And draw an arc, right? And again take this pointer at this position and draw another arc, right? Here you see, now we can draw another line. Here you draw another line at this point. Right, now draw the line again here. Right, now you can make the name here, write the name here also. The name of this point is, give an arrow first, arrow, the name of this point is DEF, F. Right, now here you see that angle ABC is equal to 153 degree, and BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. BE, here you see that BE is the angle bisector of DBC, and FB is the angle bisector of ABD. All the angles are same because we have divided into 4 equal parts. Therefore, we can say that angle ABF F is equal to angle FBD, angle FBD is equal to angle FBD, DBE and DB is equal to angle EBC. Right, here you see that draw an angle of measure 153 degree and divide into 4 equal parts. We have made an angle ABC, that is 153 degree, and divide into 4 equal parts with the help of ruler and compass. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.